welcome to Aggie's Crafty Corner. I like doing lots of patchwork and creating. Today what I'm going to show you is how to make a disappearing fur patch, like one of these. Carry on, watch the video, and I will show you step by step how you need to do it. Firstly, we will create a fur patch by putting two pieces of fabric, different color, right side together and sew them on the side. Making sure that the sides are flat. And now we are going to put them together in the opposite way. Right side together and sew along the side. When we are ready with this, we should get a fur patch, which is 4 squares put together. Now after this, we will measure all of the middle lines which we need to draw. So I normally leave 2 centimeters of each side from the middle seams. And even if the fabric is slightly uneven, that's not a problem because your measurement going to be based on the middle seams. Once you're finished with this, get your scissors and cut along those lines. This is going to be the base for your disappearing 9 patch. So we started out from 4 patch, which was 4 squares, and now as you see, you already have slightly more. So now that we cut all of them out, I'm going to lay them down flat on the table so you can see the original design and how will we actually change it too. So we will leave all of the corner pieces exactly in the same position. Check this out. So as you see, all of the corner pieces exactly where they are, and we're going to change the middle bits on all sides. thumbs up and follow the channel.